Okay. So we're getting in the holiday spirit here at the Sheldon household, and Theo and I were talking about Christmas. And Theo, is Santa going to bring you presents this year?
I can't hear you.
You can't hear me. I'm talking to you. Theo, who's going to bring you presents this year?
Frosty the Snowman.
Frosty the Snowman. And what is Frosty going to bring you for Christmas?
Lunchbox.
A lunchbox with what in it?
Chicken and shrimp.
Excellent. Do you like chicken and shrimp? Mmm. And are you going to say, thank you, Frosty?
Thank you, Frosty.
Okay.
I'm just looking there.
Okay, do you want to sing a little Frosty the Snowman first? Go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Frosty the Snowman. Always always happy. So, corn cup pipes and then nose. I made a cup. Yes!
Very nice.